Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Firefox browser for iPhone 14 Pro Max. And to do this we'll need to open the App Store on our iPhone. So let's click on it. Right here we should be able to find Firefox. Now let's select it, click on this cloud with arrow pointing down to begin the download. When it's ready, hit the open, click on get started. You can sign in to turn on synchronization for this browser, and it should synchronize the history and all the bookmarks with different devices. So you can sign in. I'm gonna skip it. From here we can start using the browser. So let's open Google Chrome, for example. normal Google website. And it's right here working perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.